Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a checklist on Google Forms. So when you are on Forms here, I'm just going to choose a blank form and you want to create, of course, a title. So YouTube video example. Now you also want to create a question. So let's write down something like, do you read per month? Something like that. And now, as you can see, there's option 1, and you can add another option. But what you want to choose is actually the checkboxes. So that's how you create them. You basically write down add an option, and so on. Basically, that's how you create the checklist. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.